Today, I will show you how to stop collecting residential property listings manually and start extracting them automatically with Minexa.ai, whoever you are. Here I am, opening the portalinmobiliario.com page that already has the residential property listings loaded. Now, just tap the Minexa icon in the browser toolbar to open the extension and start scraping. The extension is open. Hit I'm on the right page, and Minexa.ai will analyze the page to detect the residential property listings. The analysis is complete. Minexa.ai knows exactly where the residential property data is on this page. At this point, choose whether to scrape just the list or also the detail pages that each listing links to. Click Continue or Advanced if you want to define clicks, scrolls, or inputs needed before the listings appear. That highlighted part of the page is your dataset container. Click Create Scraper and Minexa.ai will learn exactly what data lives there. Every piece of data is now ready. Pick the fields you want to include, like price, location, bedrooms, or property type. If you write code, click API Request, copy the code, and scrape thousands of similar pages without any additional setup. Click Complete Configuration to confirm and save your setup so you can run it anytime you want. The navigation is highlighted automatically. You can leave it as is or adjust before moving on. Click Complete Setup to save your scraping job. You can also set a schedule if you want to automate data extraction. The setup is done. Click Run to start extracting the residential property listings automatically. Every row is a clean and confirmed match. If a page differs from the trained pattern, Minexa flags it with an error, ensuring your dataset stays accurate. Typical data points include property prices, locations, number of bedrooms, and square meters, all cleanly extracted for your analysis. Click Export to download every scraped result as its own row with all fields separated and ready for use. No experience is needed to get data from any website with Minexa.ai. For developers, it removes the hassle of maintaining scrapers that break when sites update their layout.